Hello, Nelson Machine. This is Bradley Nickel. I work with Boostridge Media, which is a local digital marketing company located in the Appleton area. I was doing a little research and came across your site today and figured I'd shoot you guys a quick video just explaining some tips and tricks on how you can boost your online presence. So, just a little bit about myself. I'm a certified welding inspector and a degreed welding engineer, and I've got quite a background in fabrication. With that background, I really have a goal with this marketing business to help as many machine shops, fabrication shops, businesses like that, as many as I can to boost their listings in Google, get more traffic coming to their site, and more customers coming in the door. So with that, like I said, I was doing some research. I looked up Machine Shop Green Bay. And the first thing you come across on Google is what's called the Google Map Pack. Here, businesses can list their website and it'll come up on Google Maps over here. A lot of people are using that on their phones, computers, different ways to look for local businesses. And really, 90% of people are not going to go past these top three listings here. So you can come and click into here and scroll down, look through all the different businesses, look for your own, look for others. Um, but if you're not in this top three, you're missing out on a lot of traffic. So for the first tip, one of the big ways to boost this listing is going to be citations. And that's anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number is listed on websites such as Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Facebook, different websites like that. And the more that you have of those, the higher you can get your listing boosted. The next thing that you come across, if you keep scrolling down, is the organic listings. Um, so right here, the percentage isn't quite as high. Maybe 75% of people aren't going to go past these top three. So, I see you right down here. Number two, we don't count Yelp as one of the top ones. So you've got Bayside Machine and then Nelson Machine is number two. So you guys are doing really good. You've got probably see a lot of traffic coming into your site because of that. Um, if you did have a goal to be number one of the big things that you can do is backlinks. That's anywhere that you have maybe a blog post or a news article, and within that article, there's a link back to your website. And again, the more of those that you have, the better chances you have of becoming number one. The third tip is if you come over to your site, is content. All right, so you've got some good graphics here. You've got the tabs going to some of your back pages. Looks good. Google really likes to see a bare minimum of 1,000 words on the home page. All right, so getting a lot more content here and adding a lot of keywords within that content. So like I said, I searched machine shop Green Bay, Wisconsin. So that needs to be on the home page of your website. Different words and phrases like that people are going to be searching need to be on your home page. Um, I like to use a tool called Ahrefs. Helps me gauge the competition, see where everybody's at. So this is your Ahrefs profile. If you look over here at the DR and the UR, that is the trust that Google has in your site and how strong Google thinks your website is. All right, so the things you really want those numbers to be about the same and obviously as high as possible. The things that are going to help those numbers are the things that we've already talked about: backlinks, referring domains, or as I call them, citations, and keywords. All right, so looking over here at the top competitor's website, Bayside Machine, they've got all their links to the back pages, some graphics, content. Looks like they do have quite a bit of content on their homepage, which helps them quite a bit. If we look over at their Ahrefs profile, you can see it's got a lot of trust with Google and it's a pretty strong site. and they've got a lot of backlinks, 2,500 backlinks, a lot of referring domains and keywords. So again, if it is one of your goals to become that top spot in Google, we could come in here, get you some more backlinks. It would take some time to work your way up, um, but the good news is not all backlinks and referring domains are created equal. So what we can do is do some research, find what backlinks are stronger, have more trust with Google, and get those backlinks on your website. And then we don't necessarily have to have quite as many as the competition. Maybe it's a good idea to have as many or more as the competition. There's some things that we can play with, things that we can look at to get that number one spot. But really, I think the big thing is just focusing on that Google Map pack, the citations, and getting your listing boosted there. Um, so anyway, those are the three tips I've got for you today: citations, backlinks, and keyword heavy content. So I will follow up with you guys shortly, get some insight and get your thoughts on the video, and I look forward to talking with you soon.